tucked quietly into the leafy backyard of a suburban home in Bethesda, the tea house by David Jameson architect doesn't immediately read like a typical backyard structure. Instead, it appears almost like a glowing object suspended in the landscape, a bronze and glass volume hovering lightly above the ground. The design draws inspiration from a Japanese lantern, creating something that feels both delicate and intentional, almost like a small, inhabitable piece of art placed within nature. What makes this project especially compelling is the way you approach it. Rather than walking straight into the structure, you're guided through a carefully choreographed sequence. A path of stepping stones gradually shifts into gravel, weaving through dense bamboo, slowing you down as you move. This transitional journey isn't just functional, it's psychological. The irregular path, the sound underfoot, and the enclosure of greenery are all designed to quiet the mind and prepare you for what's ahead. As you arrive, the structure reveals itself more clearly, still hovering, still slightly mysterious. To enter, you ascend a sculptural origami-like steel staircase, which adds a sense of ritual to the experience. At the top, you're met with a thick, opaque wooden door, the last natural element before stepping inside. That moment of pause, right at the threshold, reinforces the idea that entering the space is less about simply going indoors, and more about shifting into a different state of mind. Inside, the space is compact but incredibly intentional. The ceiling folds inward, subtly lowering toward the center to create a more intimate atmosphere, while also enhancing the acoustics, important for its secondary role as a small stage for family music performances. The exposed structure, steel framing, and warm wood surfaces create a balance between precision and comfort. It's a space designed not just to be seen, but to be experienced, whether for meditation, quiet reflection, or gathering. Ultimately, what makes this tea house stand out isn't its size, but its clarity of concept. It transforms a simple backyard into a layered spatial experience, one that moves from everyday life into something more introspective and almost otherworldly. By combining architecture, landscape, and movement, the project becomes less about the building itself and more about how you arrive, enter, and exist within it. And in that way, it offers a powerful idea for residential design. Sometimes, the most meaningful spaces are the ones that create a pause between moments.